Here's how to convert your low quality image to high quality. First of all, open the image in Photoshop and go to image and click on image size. Here, make sure to select pixels and then check this resample box. Click on this drop down and select preserve details enlargement. Resolution give here 400 pixel and select here pixels and width give 55, 59 and the height will automatically adjust. Now just click on OK. This will automatically enlarge your low quality image. Now zoom out the project. And now duplicate the layer. Select the duplicated layer and go to filter. Here hover over on sharpen and click on unsharp mask. And using this amount, you can select any value and see which value make the result perfect. So I'm selecting here 69 or 62 for example, and now play with this radius and then play with this threshold. Once you're happy, click on OK. After that, again go to filter, hover over on other and click on high pass, and high pass give here 2.5. Now click on this blending mode, select here soft light. After that, go ahead and just save your image. And that's how you can actually convert a low resolution image to high quality.